Ready? Hi, this is Sean from New Jersey doing a quick review of the DualLiner that I've had for about 6 months. I started out installing it, doing the sides, first the back, then the sides. I found the easiest way to install it was to wipe it down with a spray wax for each section before I drop the sides and the front end. After installing the sides, I put the cleats in, and I feel they give it a better secure to the side of the bed. I feel that the mat is probably better to install in a warmer climate or a warmer day. When it's beating in the sun, it's a lot more pliable. Some problems that I had and I kind of got over is where the bed pockets bump out here. They stick out a little bit when it's hot summer days. What you could do before installing is possibly trim the plastic maybe about an 1/8 inch off with a razor knife, because the top rail is welded to this side rail here. But all in all, it's a nice rubber mat. You can kneel on it, work on it, and it protects anything you put in the bed. And they also give you the tailgate liner as well, which works. You don't have to install buttons. I installed 4 buttons to secure the bottom of it a little bit better. And one thing you may want to do is every so often, if you live in an area where you get fall leaves or helicopters, you might want to blow the bed out frequently to keep anything from getting underneath the mat. But once your winter clears and you're back in warm days, you could always pull the mat out and clean the bed out a little bit and just spray it maybe with some cleaner wax again. Thank you. How's that?